welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new kind of video for y'all. I'm doing my yay or nays of the month. It's basically just a video where I talk about the products I love and about products I really hate. Or let's not say hate, but like I don't really like. I don't want to talk too much. The good thing is that I never ever did a video like that, so I have a lot of favorites or like a lot of products that I really like and I want to show y'all. So yeah, I think the first thing I'm going to start with is foundation, because so many of y'all ask me what's my favorite foundation or what's like my favorite drugstore foundation. So I'm gonna show y'all. So my ultimate favorite foundation is the Too Faced Born This Way foundation. The foundation goes so well with my skin, so I really like this foundation. I know it's a little bit more pricey, not too much pricey. I also have the Giorgio Armani UV Silk foundation or something like that, not the luminous one, the silk foundation. I mean, it's good, but I think the Too Faced one is so much better. This product is definitely a yay. The drugstore foundation I really like is the Milani Conceal Perfect foundation, the 2-in-1 foundation and concealer foundation. Because I really like full coverage foundations, but I don't like it when they feel like really heavy on the skin. I think this is the only drugstore foundation which gives me like really full coverage without looking so nasty. I also have it right now on my skin. The only thing that is not so good about this product is it stinks a little bit. Let's not say stink. It doesn't smell so good like a good foundation, but it's still really good, and as you can see it's pretty empty. I think I need to buy a new one. It's like here. The shade I have right now on my skin is 02 Natural. Yeah, this product is also definitely a yay. I also want to show you a foundation what I also didn't like so much. It's the Too Faced Peach Perfect foundation, but only because it's for oily skin. I have combined skin, like I have oily and dry skin, and it's not good for my skin. My skin looks so dry when I use this foundation. Coverage of this foundation is really good, but like I said, it's too dry for my skin. It's like really too dry, and if you don't have really oily skin, this is not good for your skin. I also don't like matte foundations at all, so I guess that's why. This product is sadly for me a nay. Let's go to the setting powders. I have one favorite setting powder what I want to show to y'all. That's the only setting powder I want to show y'all. For me, this is the best setting powder. Okay, I wouldn't say like the best, but for this price, I think it's the best setting powder. This is the RCMA No Color Translucent Powder. Let's say, yeah. Bought this, I think, 1.5 years ago or 1 year ago. I have still a lot of product left. I don't know how much it was. I think it was like $15 or euros, I don't know, but I have still so much product left. Almost only used this product. For me, this is a must-have. This is definitely a yay. Yay! Yay! And now for concealers. I have a little problem with concealers. I don't know why. I really don't know why, but it always oxidized right here. To be honest, this is the only setting powder which helps me a little bit to not get the oxidation here. Oxidation, I don't know. Normally I don't like creamy concealers, but I think this is the only concealer where I don't get oxidation here. It's the Benefit Bow Wing Industrial Strength Concealer. And I have the #1 because I really like it light here. It's my second one now, so I have used this so much. I really like this concealer, even though I don't like creamy concealers, but to be honest, it's really good and I don't get oxidation there. So if you have any problems with oxidation, try creamy concealers. And if you don't want to get any oxidation, try this one. The concealer is definitely a yay. And I also want to head over to lip liners. I have problems with lip liners because I don't want to spend a lot of money for lip liners. I think MAC is so expensive, like almost 20 euros for a lip liner like Helton and I did try a lot of lip liners which I really like, but I think they're not available international. Lip liners which I really like are the YX lip liners. I have the shade Ever at the moment on my lips, and I also like the shade Natural, I think. And I really like the NYX lip liners. I think they're pretty good for the price. And yeah, lip liners are definitely a yay. And let's go to setting, or like to moisturize your skin a little bit. I just fell in love with this product. For me, this is like a little dupe to the MAC Fix Plus one. It's not a setting spray, it's more like a fixing spray, so get a little bit moisture to your skin. It's Nature Republic Aloe Vera Soothing Gel Mist. So here. It smells so good. It smells like really good aloe vera. Aloe vera. I should play in an ad, yeah, you know. Just kidding. It's so awesome. Just refreshes your skin. It smells so good and it's so inexpensive. I think it's about $9. I'm not sure. But I did get this from YesStyle, and you can use my discount code to get this so much cheaper, so it's really good. I think it's a little dupe to the MAC Fix Plus one, so if you don't want to spend so much money on the MAC Fix Plus one, just try this out, and it smells so much better than MAC Fix Plus. This is definitely a yay for me. I'm on a diet right now. I'm always on a diet, to be honest. Want to lose some weight? As always. The problem is that I eat too much and I love carbs. I love carbs so much, it's not even funny anymore. I don't get full if I don't eat carbs, and as we know, carbs are not good for your body. Let's not say not good. If you don't use the energy that the carbs give you, you do earn weight, or you do earn weight, and yeah, you get bigger and bigger. Now I have my own car, and this is a little bit bigger problem for me because I'm even more lazy now. Convince myself to go to the gym, but it's so hard for me, but I need to go to the gym, but yeah. But thank God there are good products out there, and I want to show y'all one of my favorite products of all time, like really like of all time. I think 2 months ago I started with the Natural Mojo caps. There are like 3 caps from Natural Mojo. One is the diet cap. It's just to get you full. You eat 2 caps 30 minutes before you eat something. You do get easier full, so you don't eat too much. And I know you guys think, oh my god, this is not good, this is not good, this is not good for your body. Guys, it's just only natural things in this. You can also Google it, it's just only natural things. So I have fit caps, but my favorite of all time are the carb blockers. Guys, this is, to be honest, this is my holy grail product. Because like I said, I love carbs. You eat 2 caps like 50 minutes before you eat something, so your body don't absorb so much carbs, which is a little bit better for you because you lose weight. But I want to point out, this not means like, oh, I can eat whatever I want, I can eat chicken nuggets and pizza. No, not at all. I mean, you can eat normal, because I did eat normal, not too normal. I also ate a little bit more healthy, but still normal, and I did lose weight. That's the funny thing about these caps. Like, to be honest, I didn't do much, but I still lose weight, and it's just because of these caps. trust me, it's just because of these caps. The caps look like this. Let me just... So they're smaller. They're also vegan, gluten-free and lactose-free, so for y'all. Caps are like my favorite thing in this world. Like really, I love them so much. The good thing is you can always save money with these products. I have amazing discount codes for y'all, so if you want to check Natural Mojo's page out, you can always go down to my description box and just look up for my discount codes, and there are amazing deals for y'all. So if you really want to lose weight in the easy way, to be honest, it's the lazy way, you can try it out. And like I said, there is nothing chemical in this, like nothing at all. You know me, I love sweet. Something sweet. I love hot chocolate in the morning or when I watch a movie at night, but we all know hot chocolate is not so healthy. There's a lot of sugar and your body don't want that. But guys, I got your back. I have something amazing for y'all. It's also from Natural Mojo. It's a Cocoa Dream chocolate powder. The good thing about this product, it's healthy. It's healthy and it tastes just like normal hot chocolate or cold chocolate, how you want to drink it. It tastes like similar. It tastes a little bit more fruity because here are a lot of fruits in it. This product is also vegan, gluten-free and lactose-free. Here you can also see it, and it smells like normal chocolate. Also, like the caps, you have a discount code for this product, so you don't have to pay the full price. So if you want to try it out, give it a go. I really like this product, and this is like my real opinion for this product, guys. This product. These products are definitely a yay. And just quick, if you like wigs or something like that, or if you want to try something new, or if you want to take some pictures like me. I just ordered a wig from Amazon for 15 euros. 15 euros. It was this wig. I have like 2 pictures on my Instagram channel. When I'm good, I'm going to show y'all a picture here, but I'm not so good at editing. But yeah, it was like 15 euros, and I'm going to link it down in the description box so you can check it out. And yeah, I think it's really cute, and if you want to try something new, you guys can check it out here. If you have any products that I should try, just leave it down in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching. Love you all so much. Mwah. Endless love and kisses. Bye.